Yan, matetestingan na natin. Kutsilyo. Matalim. Ginawa ni Arjan. Special only. For a special person. Like Romeo.
Turn off the voice because in the
Turn
time
off,
they
turn
cannot
off.
the voice. Okay. Okay. Wait.
Pray muna, namutasa.
Rồi, tên bạc. Okay.
God. See, special.
See hả? See nè, vô see clearly. Nè, cái đời này em có thêm nè.
Yan, may cut. Ganun daw.
Asin banana.
Masakit? Hindi, Tago mo yan, ha? Wala pang nagawa na yan, ganyan si Arjan. Ikaw pa lang na nagawan.
Lock in the hand first.
Free, sa'yo.
Rồi, tên bác sẽ chân lock for you.
Thank you, Romeo. Thank you.
Thank you because he had.
Yes.
You know, this is very serious. Special for you.
Special.
Very good. Don't take out, huh? This is for protection.
Yan na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na takrot na gawa ni Arjan na hindi ka masasama, di ka masusugatan ng kutsilyo. A fair protection.
Remember? The person. No.
Jesus, my gosh. First time done by Arjan.
You see, cutting.
Kahit bali-baliin ka pa ng kutsilyo dyan, hindi ka niyan masusugatan.
Thank you, Arjan. Okay.